So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to lock notes here on Apple Notes. So once the Apple Notes app is opened up, I'm just going to go into a folder right here where there's a couple different notes. I'm just going to go ahead and select, this is my note right here. I'll rename it to locked notes, just so it's a little bit easier to determine. Now, if you want to lock the notes, so let's say you're on your notes page right here, go to the top right, press the three dots. Then in the top right, again, it says lock. So it says lock notes with your iPhone password. You can go ahead or use a separate password. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and use a separate password right here. I'm then going to go ahead and press continue. Now in this case, I'm just going to make my password cats. I'm going to make my password cats, and I'm just going to make the hint meow. Enable Face ID, I will do not. And then the note's locked right here. So as you can tell, the note is unlocked. So you can go ahead and lock it right there. So let's say I were to go out just like this, go back in if you wanted to do it. This note is now considered locked. So if I were to go out here and go back in, press on view notes, got to type in my password, CAT, and now the note is back to normal. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to lock notes on Apple Notes. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.